Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss another question on permutation and combinations. So this question, with three roots connecting A to B, how many ways can a round trip be made from A to B and back? How many ways, if it is desired to take different route on the way back? Right? So basically between A and B we have three different paths. Let's say P1, P2 and P3. So we have three different paths and we have to make a round trip from A to B and back. The second part is how many ways it is possible, it is desired to take different routes on the way back. So just see, from these three paths we can take any one for the way back from A to B. So we can do it in three ways, and from B we can return from B to A in again three ways, because there is no restriction whether we can choose the same path or not. So for every way we have three different returning, and there are three ways we can go from A to B. So this becomes 3 into 3 equal to 9 ways. Whereas the second part says it is desired to take different route on the way back. That means if we choose path 1 to move from A to B, we can return from second or third path only. We cannot return from the same path because we need to take a different route on the way back. That means this one way, like we have one way, two way, three way. So this one way has two different paths to return. So if one way has two different paths, these three ways have two different paths each, which makes it 3 into 2 equal to 6 ways. Right? So if you understand this, like since it was very little number, so we could actually see. So the case 1 says this is like n is equal to 3 and k is equal to 2, and repetition is allowed. We can come from the same path from which we have moved to A to B, right? So this number of ways will become n to the power of k, which is 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. Whereas for the second case we have to choose different path, so it is n equal to 3, k equal to 2, and that too without repetition. So this makes it 3p2 or 3 factorial by 3 minus 2, that is 1 factorial, which is 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 6 ways. Right? So that's what we did here, 9 ways and 6 ways.